Hey, this is Hamilton Carter, and this is my digital portfolio. My design constraint was that I have a lot of projects going on all the time. They all tend to be related to each other, and a lot of them tend to involve my kids, who are 15, 13, and 11. And so I wanted to set up a portfolio that highlighted that as something, a strength that I actually talk about, as opposed to something that I try to talk around. That led to this portfolio that's divided into three sections. Projects that are peripheral to my work using the tools that I use at work. A parenting book about the kids and I that I've written from the perspective of a dad in San Francisco. And a history of physics book that I've been working on since my partner and I started having kids after we met in physics graduate school. So, the style is based on a open source style called Tufte. If you ever get a chance to look at Edward Tufte's books, they're very pretty. But the main thing you're going to notice here is that there's a wide right margin so that you can have footnotes next to the text. Okay, so let's start digging through pages because we got about a minute and 40 seconds left. Um, this is the work that's peripheral to what I do. I verify chips on devices, so like the processor in your smartphone, I make sure that works in simulation before they put it into production. I can't talk about that in a portfolio, but what I can do and what I do is build projects using the same kind of technologies. Lately, it's been AI with the kids. And so this page highlights those projects, what it's like to work with AI, what you can do working with AI with kids, and projects that we've built. Um, you'll see throughout the site that one part of the site will link over to the other because they are all related. So this um, links over to the Gladish files. And it also links over to Kudermoos, the parenting book. Um, let's go talk about Kudermoos. So Kudermoos is a parenting book, and what I've done is highlight some articles that I wrote for corporate sites on parenting, an excerpt from the book, and a post that I made for CCSF social media marketing class about dads wearing baby wraps. Throughout the site, my resume points at my LinkedIn page. Let's keep moving. And then the final section of the site is the Gladish files. And what I've done here is actually highlighted some projects the kids and I have worked on that relate to this history of physics book. I'm going to go a little bit over time, but you can see here kind of what's going on when you look at the page. This is a video that the kids and I did for
Yeah.
BCST
His
136,
articles read like
the video
the
site. But
same
you can see the
letters.
kids are here
And
narrating with me. Um, and so that is the entire site. I hope everybody enjoys it. I would love to get feedback, and I wish I had more time. Thanks everybody for your attention. It's Hamilton Carter.